In the last video on the channel, we installed a brand new wide body kit on my 2022 Mustang GT. Car looks absolutely insane and completely transformed the look of the car. In celebration of the new kit and the new look, we are now dropping some new wide body Mustang t-shirts now live on the Border Supply website. The link to purchase will be down in the description below. Appreciate all your guys' support in advance. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. What's up, bro? Good to see you again.
Nice, brother.
You like the beardsy?
Yeah.
Jeez. Hey. BBL, bro. Last video was hilarious when we put the Mustang wide body. Remember? Super BBL?
Yeah. Oh, the super BBL is this, bro.
Bro, everybody thought you were funny, dude. In the comments, did you see it?
Huh?
The comments, people thought you were funny.
Really?
In that video? Yeah.
Super BBL. Super BBL, bro.
The BBL car?
BBL. Super
BBL.
Buchona BBL.
That was so funny. If you guys missed that video, check it out. Huh?
This is bad.
Ah, bro, I need to watch it.
Come on, Chris.
It's because of the rain, bro. Hey, what about this car? Is good BBL or no? No?
Yeah.
Medium BBL?
Medium size.
Let's look at the super BBL.
Look, bro, it's big.
Super BBL, bro.
Come on.
Hey, okay.
Hey, what happened,
No, I need your help. Okay, so
okay.
so remember the old one? I sold it. So
it's
this,
good or not?
I don't know, bro.
Me tell you right now.
Tell me, yeah. So this is the clinch kit or the duck wheel that comes with this. It's supposed to look something like this. I don't know, bro. So we took off the carbon fiber one that was on it before, but here, I'll hold it.
Oh yeah, bro.
You like this one, really?
You see.
Nah, bro. You like it, really?
Yes, for like, is that for the kid, full kid?
Yeah. Dude, it's big though.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, let's see this one. Let's see. This is OEM right here.
No, I am not.
No OEM, no?
BBL style.
Really?
Good, bro.
BBL style. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I need your guys' help.
Hey, Chris, for me it's good.
Yeah?
The wing for me is good. Yeah, it's for
I
like
don't know.
it's the kid style, like
Yeah,
big one,
yeah.
You know? The carbon fiber, good, but
OEM fenders, stock body, yeah. Yeah, we took off the carbon fiber one because I felt like it didn't match with this kit. I had the GT500 spoiler. Took that off, actually just sold it, and then now I'm just debating between these two. No?
Nah.
It's low quality?
See, low quality. Bro.
Ah, come on, bro. I kind of like it, dude. Not gonna lie.
OEM? No.
No? I don't know. I need your guys' help. What do you think? Comment down below. I feel like the OEM one is clean, or the clinched one.
For me, it's good this way.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, I think it's aggressive though. I think it goes like this.
Super high quality, bro.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. I need you guys' help on what to put on this car. I don't know, maybe. We'll
For
see.
me, I like it, bro.
But yeah, anyways, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in the shop and we got the Mustang here. If you guys missed last video with this car, we installed the clinched wide body kit on this thing. And as you can see, this thing is looking so different. It literally looks like a complete different car. I mean, just look how wide these fenders are. Came out absolutely crazy. I literally love the end result so much. I know it looks super funny since we have the stock wheels, guys. Just getting started, we got some new wheels being custom built to this exact kit, specifically to fit my car with this kit. So I'm so excited for that. I'll be revealing that sometime soon. And also we're gonna be wrapping the car. So we got big plans for the Mustang. I can't reveal too much yet, but I think when we wrap the car, we're gonna do a big reveal at the wrap shop. I have an event there, so you guys can come and see it firsthand. It's gonna be huge, so I'm so excited. More details soon to come, but yeah, check out the Mustang, guys. This thing is just looking menacing, bro. Especially this front end. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Oh my freaking goodness. I love this car so much now, seriously. Always been a freaking dream of mine to have a wide body Mustang. We finally did it last video. I've been going through all the comments on the last video. For the most part, you guys seem to love the new look of this car. But with the positives comes, of course, the negatives. You know, not everything can be positive. This guy said it looks way worse with this wide body. Bro says super BBO. You guys just have to watch that video. Literally, my neighbor was joking so much, it was hilarious. But I may or may have not just ordered a custom plate for this car, and it has something to do with BBL. I feel like it just goes so well with the car. Damn, bro said big L in my opinion, to each their own. I respect the honesty, you know, it's not gonna be everybody's taste, which I get. Simply ew, you've officially riced out a Mustang. I'm not trying to build a Mustang to look literally the same as everybody else does it. I feel like so many people build Mustangs, they all look the same. So I just want to do something different, hence why I did a wide body kit, hence why I've done TEs on this car. It's something different for the Mustang scene, literally. Poor car, I know, it literally hurt my soul drilling and cutting into this thing. This guy said, it's only a Ford, thanks for destroying it. I guess, I don't know. I love it, so that's all that matters. Looks like absolute crap. Love these POS Rivnut wide body kits. I think it looks cool, and I love these POS Rivnut wide body kits. I knew it would stir up some emotions in some people, but guys, trust the process. I told you guys before, once we put the wheels on, you know, it fits perfect. The wrap, thing is gonna look insane. Damn. Check out the fit though. The all white fit. But seriously, I'm in a little bodysuit right now. It's like a little Tyvek suit. I hate getting dirty with body work. It gets so dusty and nasty. You guys know, I always have freaking gloves for like the gas station. Got hand sanitizer in my car. I don't know, I just don't like being dirty. Yeah, we're working on body work, as you can see. I actually started on this side already. So I laid 2 layers of fiberglass Bondo. And yeah, we sealed up all of the cracks. I just have to sand this down, make it look smooth. So here's what I'm working with today. So we have some long strand fiberglass filler at my little body workstation. This side I have not touched yet. So for the big cracks, so we had like some huge holes. Body filler is probably gonna fall through. So I actually got this like mesh adhesive and I actually cut out little pieces just so when I put like fiberglass filler on it, it won't fall through and it'll be on the mesh. So that's a cool way. It's this Bondo self-adhesive body patch, and I just trimmed it to my liking. So this literally just reminds me of back in the day when I molded my fenders on the FRS. If you guys remember that, you guys are true OGs. It was so long ago, but oh man, the mess is just, honestly, I don't like body work at all, but it's so repetitive, just sanding over and over and over, but we gotta get it done. Comment down below if you guys remember that, but yeah, let's mix up some of this stuff. Kind of smells good, but I'm pretty sure it's bad for you. Ugh, this stuff is so slimy. What? Bro just be yelling. Alright, well, first light layer, we got some good, you know, good amount of coverage. There's still a lot of spots I have left to do, but I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, sand, scuff the surface, and then apply another layer. And that's literally what bodywork is. Just the same stuff over and over again.
Hey Chris, what happened, bro?
It's the fit, bro. You like my outfit?
Hey, you are like doctor style, bro. Bestia. Hey,
It's dirty, that's why.
it's super high quality, bro.
Not done yet though.
You look good, bro. Quality, bro.
Quality?
Hey, you are like NASA people, bro.
So I'm hoping today I'll get some inspiration. There's actually a huge car show, or a BMW only car show down here in San Diego. As you can see, we're like kind of in downtown. Brought the BRZ today, and Park Knives is clean E46. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna see if I can get some inspiration. As you guys know, a million times by now, I'm always talking about it in my videos. I want an M3. I want an M3. I want an M3. I say it like a million times. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of M3s today. It's kind of funny because the first car we see, literally right when we walk up, is a Supra. I mean, I get it, BMWs, but that's kind of funny how it's just like the first ones we see. Guys, like, check this. This is such a cool spot, bro, for a show. Literally, we're on San Diego Bay in this like little huge park. You see like downtown in the background. I would love to have a little show here if I had, you know, the opportunities. Hella parked up on the grass. It's so cool. Got the bay in the background. It's kind of cold, but it's a nice spot.
I like this one with the red seat.
You like this one? You like E46s? Oh yeah, red seats.
You know, I actually wanted one.
Really?
Time ago
Long
before
time
I
ago?
met you. Yeah.
I look, you wanted one too a while ago.
Ooh, that interior.
This one's super clean. This is like my I know last video I was talking about Dream Spec M3, but I love this color, the Yasmarina blue. Such a clean color. Like this with like a white interior would be so cool. It's clean. Man, with the chrome stocks or polished stocks. Yeah, this is just simple and clean. Damn, that was nice. Man, I love my F80s, but these are so nice. The E90 M3s. This one's like freaking clean, bro. Can't go wrong, bro. I said F80s are timeless, but these ones are timeless as well. Just with that freaking hood. The E30, but look at this. It's not no normal E30. It's got a 5.7 in it, bro. Ella swapped. Golly, bro. I didn't make a video with it. I actually just met this dude like a couple weeks ago. I was planning on filming a video, so very curious how this thing drives. We're an LS swap E30. This one, she loves M2s now. Oh my gosh, bro, that kit. Damn. I do not like M2s, but this is really nice.
Why don't you like that?
I don't know. Just look like a miniature version.
They look a little square.
Yeah, but this is clean though. Wow, that front end definitely makes a big difference. Jeez, with the freaking work VSXs. This kit is beautiful. Everything about this car I love. Crazy to say because I'm not a big M2 fan, but this is really nice. I wonder what kit this is. That color is sick. The freaking exhaust. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's probably the sickest M2 I've seen. See, look at this. This spot is so nice. Just the buildings in the background. The chrome. F80 is the move, bro. Oh, this is so nice. Like, imagine having your car posted up right here, just with the boats in the background. Yeah, I need to contact whoever owns this area for 2025 birthday cruise. Imagine, my gosh, the birthday cruise. Like, we got all you guys park up here, got vendors, the views, a nice sunny day. Like, this color. Oh, that fitment. You guys know I've been wanting to do this color. I say it like in every car show vlog when I see this color in person, but definitely gotta do that color. This is clean too. Ooh. Sheesh. I've been debating too, like getting an M4, but I really want a 4-door. You know, I have other 2 coupes. I have a Mustang and obviously the FRS and BRZ, so it'd be kind of overkill getting another coupe. So that's kind of why I want an F80 M3, you know, 4-door, but I gotta love the M4s, man. Dude, legendary replica, bro. Legendary. If you guys know, Need for Speed Most Wanted. I feel like that was the first car game I've ever played. And it's just crazy seeing like a replica model in person. Wild. Jeez, this thing is freaking wide. Jeez. Oh my god. I thought the Mustang was wide, but look at this. This is tough right here. They got a whole lineup. It's all the same color. That's so sick. Satin black. Dude, satin black F80s look so aggressive. I don't know, cooking, man. Getting some ideas whenever I get mine. Satin black looks really clean. Hello, dude. More on this side. Got the G80. Got the Supra in satin black. Look at this, bro. Oh my gosh. You guys are probably not gonna be able to hear me with all the music, but look at this wagon. I've never seen this wagon before. I like the style though. It's definitely the Chris style. The wide body, the bags, nice fitment. Sick. She's like, I'm not here for the cars, I'm just here for the music. Bro, this is hard. And it's manual. Chrome TEs, you guys already know. That color combo is so fire. Literally matching my fit too. I'm very curious how I would build my F80. I'm so curious. The typical bag, you know, like how I do it, or would I do like a track spec like this? I'm like getting inspiration seeing all these in person. I still don't know how I would build mine. I honestly feel like something like this, to be honest. Like coils, big tire track setup. Something like this, you know, it's kind of like in between. Like, it's not stanced, but it's not like track setup. I really like this right here. This is clean. I don't know what it is, bro. Satin colors lately, it's just been catching my attention. Like literally every angle you look at, you see all the body lines. I think I'm gonna wrap the Mustang in satin color with a wide body. It's like a freaking toy store in here. I love it. So I need a blowgun. Which one should I get?
Oh, what?
A blowgun.
Get the biggest one. Let's go.
which one should I
what
get?
you mean?
Well, like, you know, like you hook up to compressor. It's like which one looks cooler? This one or like one of these? Think.
Why is there to be a female?
You don't know why they call it male female?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay.
You know what? Actually,
that's kind of
funny
crazy,
story.
huh?
A plumber told me, and he specifically said the private parts. I was like, whoa.
I mean, it makes
fix
sense.
my pipe.
Yeah. Female. It's got the hole.
Fix my pipe. Like, I did this for the lesson.
It's kind of crazy how they genderized fittings.
Like, what if they want to be they them?
They them freaking adapter.
It's 2025.
I wonder if anybody has ever complained about that. You guys have they them adapters?
At Harbor Freight.
Or couplers, I mean. Okay, I need a dust respirator for sanding. Actually, that would actually work.
The whoopee. What is it called?
A whoopee cushion. What is up with you knee pads? Oh my god. Why do you keep grabbing knee pads? I'm trying to say.
I need them. Everybody in the comments, let him know that he should be changing his license plate to Buchona BPL because that is just so funny. And tell him to make merch because I think that'd be funny. You ordered it already?
BBL car. Looking pick set.
God.
They got everything here.
Hey, hit me up.
We're literally just scanning all the aisles.
Dude, these are literally like surgeon tools.
Yeah. Alright, well, didn't really plan on spending $100, but it ended up happening. I needed like squeegees and a respirator, and then I ended up with 2 bags.
I know. I low-key made her put it in a bag because I saw she had attitude, so I was like...
Dude, they were hella trying to get us out.
Dude, the customer service sucks. They kept reminding us they were closing. I'm like, I think I know what 8 o'clock means.
We showed up like 30 minutes before they closed, and then they started like turning the lights off and everything.
I'm like, me
And
though?
the music shut
Me?
off too. The bodywork is officially done. As you can see, we have it all painted now. We did all the fiberglass layers and it looks completely sealed. Yeah, it's not the prettiest thing, but the main purpose of this job is to prevent water, debris, dirt, whatever to get inside of the quarter panel. So success in my books. I officially locked in my wheel specs for the Mustang. Oh my gosh. Okay, actually updated my wheel specs since the last time I showed you guys in the previous video, but dude, 20 by 12, negative 79 with a 7-inch lip, and 20 by 14, negative 39 with a 7.5-inch lip in the rear. Guys, what the heck? Okay, I've been getting a lot of questions on how much wider these fenders are compared to stock. Now, let's do the fronts. So the fronts are about 3.5 inches wider than stock, and the rears are about a little under 5 inches. I think it's like 4.7. That's crazy. 5 inches wider in the rear than stock. That's insane. And I'm gonna be running 20s. Dude, there's gonna be freaking dubs, but it's definitely gonna fit the kit. I definitely need 20s. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope you guys like, you know, the progress with the Mustang, you know, the direction. You know, there is some negative comments, you know, that come with doing such thing to a Mustang like this. But like I said, I've been wanting to build a Mustang different than what everybody else does. I feel like all the Mustangs just look the same everywhere, you know, track style. So I definitely want to put the crisp spec to the Mustang platform. Stay tuned, guys. We have so much coming for this car. Wheels, wrap reveal event that we are planning behind the scenes for you guys to attend. So I'm excited, bro. I'm excited, man. Also, just a quick reminder, as you guys saw in the beginning, we have some brand new wide body Mustang t-shirts now live on the Border Supply website. Just a quick disclaimer, these are pre-orders, guys, so just please be patient with this drop. It's probably gonna take around 2 weeks to arrive to your doorstep. So yeah, just a quick disclaimer, these are pre-orders. So anyways, I appreciate it so much in advance to all the support you guys have been showing me on YouTube, Instagram, the merch. everything. It truly does not go unnoticed. And yeah, with all that being said, I love you guys so freaking much. I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.